بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying at your home. Okay, so let's start today's topic. We are reading SST book here. I have SST book of class 3rd here. Now open your book and come to page number 70. Come to page number 70. On page number 70 we are having unit number 11, Ancient China. So today we are going to learn about Ancient China. Okay. What is the meaning of ancient? Ancient means very old. Ancient means very old. And China is it the name of a country? Okay, China is the name of a country. So we are going to learn this chapter about the oldest civilization of China. Look at this. But have you ever wondered at why we are studying ancient histories in our SST books? So let me tell you that ancient history. The ancient history helps the student to have better understanding about the world. The ancient history allows students to know that where they have come from and why we are here and being so, and shows us that how the ancients they perform or they shape their future, okay, and so that related to our own actions in the present day. So let's go to the topic. Our first heading in this topic is the Great Wall of China. Okay, one of the world's impressive structure, the longest wall in the world, and the one of the ancient biggest structure ever built is the Great Wall of China. So let me tell you, did you know what is China? China is the name of a country and it is our neighborhood. Okay, it is our neighboring country and it is located in the northeast part. It has linked together with the northeast part of Pakistan. So, and the Great Wall of China. How long is it? It is 5,500 miles long. And where it is? Look at this in your book, page number 70. We are having a map of China. So here you can look at this map. Here we have pink line has drawn in this map. And now let's read about this. A map of the Great Wall of China. Okay. Now look at here. Here we have an aerial photograph of the Great Wall of China and look how it goes up and down across the land. Now the building of the Great Wall of China. Okay, the building of the Great Wall of China. You can see here that the first part on page number 71, you can see here we are having the heading building the Great Wall of China. The first part of the Great Wall of China were made from stones and earth packed hard. Now after that the rain and wind have worn most of the old parts away. Later the people began to build with stone cut to the right size and shape. They kept on building new parts until about 600 years ago, and then the people began to take away the stones and build their houses. Okay, they made holes in the wall for trucks and road to go through it, but today it is not allowed. Now there are people who looked after the wall and who cleared the rubbish from it. Now come to the next one page. Okay, here we have the next heading, the first emperor of China. Who is the first emperor of China? Qin Shi Huang. Come to page number 73. Here it has written, one of the ruler was Qin Shi Huang. He fought all the other with his army. He defeated them so that he could rule the China, and he became the first emperor of China. Okay, and Qin Shi Huang knocked down some of the old walls of the Great Wall of China and became the longest wall and made it the Great Wall of China. Okay, so on page number 73, we are having the exercise. On page number 73, we are having the exercise. Exercise is match, then write 4 sentences in your notebook. But we will do this as book work. So match this. Number one has done for you that Qin Shi Huang wanted to live forever. Okay, it's a key fact that Qin Shi Huang thought that there was a medicine that he could make him for live ever. So he sent ships to look after it. So who wanted to live forever? Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China, wanted to live forever. Now come to second, the people of ancient China. Now, the first one is build walls to keep their land and home safe. The second one is Qin Shi Huang, and the last one is the Great Wall of China. Yes, the people of ancient China built wall to keep their land and home safe. So match this with number 2. Now come to number 3. The first emperor of China was, who was the first emperor of China? As I told you, Qin Shi Huang. So match this with his name. Now come to last one, fourth one. The wall that Qin Shi Huang built became the Great Wall of China. Now turn your page and come to page number 74. On page number 74, here we are having the heading of the Terracotta Army. Now, what are the Terracotta Army? The Terracotta Army made from the terracotta sculptures. Okay, Qin Shi Huang made the terracotta sculptures for protection that they could save they could protect him after life. Okay, so here we have the Terracotta Army. You can see in the book on page number 74. Look at here. Here we have the terracotta sculptures, the horses, the soldiers. Okay, on one day in 1974, some farmers near the town of Xi'an in China were digging a well. They had a big surprise that they found a large pieces of terracotta like the horses and the soldiers. Okay, and they have found around more than has 8,000 soldiers, and now they have kept in the museum. So there are enough statues to cover a cricket pitch. Now, so here we have on page number 74, here we have twin falls. Okay, now the first one is terracotta is a type of metal. Is it true or false? It is false. Why? Because the terracotta is a clay. Okay, it is not a type of metal, it is a type of clay. Now number 2 is the terracotta soldiers are all different. The terracotta sculptures are all different. Yes. Okay. Now come to number 3. Number 3 is the statues are bigger than real people. It is false. Okay. Now the fourth one is the terracotta army was made in 1974. Now it is false because in 1974, as we have read earlier, that On 1974, some farmers near the town of Xi'an in China were digging the well. So it is an ancient statues. Okay, it is an ancient statues that the farmers have found while digging the well. So I hope all of you have understand this chapter, and we will learn more about this chapter in our next classes. If you have any query, contact us on WhatsApp. So see you soon. Allah Hafiz.